Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Concavity problems look intimidating, but you can master them quickly using the second derivative test. Let us break down this calculus challenge in under 60 seconds. To find where the graph is concave down, we need to locate the specific intervals where the second derivative of g is strictly less than 0. You got this, team! Differentiate the first derivative to find g double prime. We apply the power rule and the chain rule to the radical term. Boom! The second derivative is now fully calculated. Finally, we solve for where this expression is negative on the interval from 0 to 2, which reveals the correct interval. That makes option C our final winning answer choice. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Avoid ignoring the derivative and always use the second derivative rule to test your endpoints.